Hey everybody, Doug here. What you are looking at is the All-Terrain Lawn Tractor Forum sticker. I got it on Thursday from Junkstarbuilds, and I think he has some left, so if you message him on YouTube, I'll put a link down in the description to his channel. So if you message him, he might send you one. And I got it next to my other Junkstarbuilds sticker. I need to get some other ones to put on there. But today, we're working on the Craftsman. As you can see, it's painted. I did it my normal two-tone color kind of deal. Basically what I do is I go over my light color, which is white, and I go down about 6 inches off from where I fade, which is about right here, in white, and then I go over with black, and I just let it splash over. You can see the specks. And it looks pretty good. It looks a lot better when it's, outside, not in the garage. But I painted everything, got the dash repainted, and everything's black. But I didn't do it properly. I just did it real quick because I had shitty paint and didn't feel like spending forever taking everything apart and then painting it. So someday in the future I'll do it right, but in the meantime it'll just have to sit like this. And today I'm going to be doing an oil change. Got my filter here, which is a Wix filter. It is a 57035. I looked for about an hour on Thursday night, Friday morning, for which filter went on this Intek, and I could not find one. And I got about 2 or 3 different numbers, and Wix on the website has a tool where you can type in a competitor's part number and it gives you theirs, and it came up with this one twice, so that's the one that I went with. I also got 2 quarts, probably need more, of Craftsman Synthetic 10W30. Normally I get conventional 5W30 because that's what you usually use, but that stuff was on sale and it's synthetic, so it'll should run a little bit better. So yeah, I gotta change the oil in this thing before I ride it too much more. I don't know the last time this oil was changed, and I'm pretty sure my friend doesn't either, so I'm gonna get right on that. Okay, so it's the day after my oil change. I had video right after I was done, but I lost it. But I actually went out to Ace and bought name brand Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic 530, just because I didn't want to use 1030. I'd rather use 530 since I'm using everything else. And that stuff was actually like, it's almost $9 a quart, I think. Luckily I only needed 2. But yeah, as you can see, it's a little muddy because I drove it a little bit yesterday. And I guess I'll drive it a little bit more today, and we can go and explore the mud pit up behind the house. Oh, this is a cold start too, by the way. It starts right up.
turfs that won't make it, so just turn around right here. A little bit, got time. Probably be good if I went to a lower gear before I killed myself trying to drive with one hand. But yeah, with these stock turfs, it surprisingly does really well up here in the woods. I also noticed that my front end, the bolt that I put in, it's either worn out or something, so I get a little bit more articulation on the front axle. I can't remember how I got up. I want to get to the top of that hill because there's a bunch of old shit back there that I'll show y'all. So let me... Oh yeah, and this doesn't have brakes. I don't know if anybody remembers. So, if I start going down the hill, there's no stopping me. Right down there, I don't know if you can see it, but that's where the house is. The garage is actually right behind those trees. So I'm up pretty high right now. There's still even more to go there. It's about, I don't know, I'll probably say 50 feet. But I'm not going up the high, I'm going over there. Logged out last year, or at least most of it. So like right there's a clearing, that was all logged out. And then all along the top there was logged out. Some trees missing over there, a bunch missing. But I got these old cars at back here. There's 3 right there, and there's I'd say that one's probably from like the 80s or something over there. But I I have no idea what the hell these things are, but I might get somebody with a tractor, get my chainsaw back and pull them out. But as you can see, this is a pretty good romping playground. I mean, there's all sorts of shit back here. Let me shift into gear so I can get through this. There we go. There's that old car. It's upside down, half crushed by the tree. But all that was logged out. Crawls over trees like a boss. Doesn't care. My trail. Yeah, most of those woods are mine. I live on about 11 acres. Like 10.9 acres, something like that. So I have all this wood to romp around. As you can see, the tractor actually makes it pretty nice up there. Burn pile. So yeah, as you saw, I mean, even with stock turfs, it plows through, you know, shit like it's not even there. If I got some, you know, ATV tires for the back and something a little more grippy for the front instead of these turfs, the rounded turfs, I could probably make it through anything, just about. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. That was my romp video for the weekend, so I'm gonna go out and enjoy this dreary ass 50-something degree weather, which is actually nice. It's a beautiful breeze. So I will talk to everybody later, and yeah, keep cool.